Show you a feature in Digital Wrench that is extremely handy. It's called our package feature or canned jobs. So you click on this icon at the top of your screen to set them up. And I'm going to add a front brake replacement. Now if you put a package price here, then it will not charge for the individual parts. It will charge a certain price for the whole package. So I can go in here and say, well, this is $89. Now I click on the front brake replace, that's my package, and I'm going to add parts. I have parts here in my parts list. I'm going to go to brakes, and I'm going to pick the brake pads, and I'm going to put in 2 of them. Okay. And then you can open that up, you can see the brake pads. Now I'm going to add the labor. And I've got this in my labor list, so I'm going to go to the brake system. I'm going to go to front brake renew. I'm going to add that. Okay, so there's my brake replace can job. Okay, I want to also show you that I have an oil change can job or package. So what I do is I go into my work order. I go in here and change this work order. You'll see we have nothing in here. I click on the package feature. I click front brake replace. See, it automatically puts in your brake pads, automatically puts in your labor and your package price, because I set the package price instead of individual items. Then I can say, well, I'm also going to change oil on this car, so I'll go in here and do an oil change, and it brings in my oil, my filter, and my labor. I should pick my vehicle while I'm here. There, pick my vehicle and put my odometer reading in it here. Okay, and I'm done with this work order, so I just save it and I go ahead and charge the customer. So thank you for looking at our canned jobs.